And I just want to pull on the heartstrings of the audience watching right now. How good does it make us feel when we get this feedback from these customers going, there was something I could not do before, or I was having a real struggle making money, but now I can run a third shift and my people can go home at night. All of these stories come in, right?
Yeah. You know, it's a little cliche to say that we've helped a lot of people build their business and make a lot of money. Making money's good, right? We all like that. But we've had some customers that you know well, Tony, that it's the quality of life that we've brought. They literally said, we're not going to have our people work on the weekend, right? We're having them work overtime. We want them to have a work-life balance and a quality of life, but it's still so important. We have to make a profit, right? So this allows them to be able to do that. And they're doing it successfully, and I'm watching these business owners, their employees, and their families flourish. You know, Katsu and Yuto, they always say that every time one of these machines leaves the factory, it's like a child leaving the factory. And the customer is adopting a Matsuura, like a Matsuura baby, right? And we really prefer to sell them to good families, right? So we look at our customers as good families, good owners, good citizens out there. And so it really does. We take pride in what we do and in our customers' achievements. So I'm glad you asked that.
I'm glad you answered it so thoroughly as well. So I know the folks out there want to learn more about the technology that's going on this booth. I know Paul is waiting in the wings for everyone who's watching right now. This is my friend Yuto. This is my buddy David. Very well done, my friends. Now let's go over to Paul.